Hi, my name is Claire. Um, so my experience with research, I did take a research class in my undergrad. I don't remember a whole lot from it, but I do remember the research project vaguely, and that was a kind of fun experience. Just in general, the group I had was fun, and the project was fun. But I guess for this class, something I'm really looking forward to is the research project, because I had such a good experience with one in the past. And also, I think, we spend a lot of time doing a lot of this stuff alone since this is like a virtual online course. So I think it'll be nice to also just be able to get to talk to and get to know other people in this class and in this program as well. So that's definitely an aspect I'm looking forward to. And I think something that might make research a little bit more interesting for me is, focusing on areas that I find interesting in general, like different topics or populations, that type of thing. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you. I look forward to working with you all this semester.